Hey there, fellow job seekers and career enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been keeping many of us up at night: the impact of AI on high-paying jobs. Buckle up, because this ride might get a little bumpy. Remember when we thought those six-figure salaries were our ticket to job security? Well, think again. Artificial intelligence isn't just coming for entry-level positions anymore. It's setting its sights on those prestigious, high-paying careers we once thought were untouchable. That's right. Even if you're pulling in over $100K a year, you might want to keep reading. Let's start with a profession we've always held in high regard: doctors. Imagine trusting a machine more than a human when it comes to your health. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. AI can now read X-rays, MRIs, and medical scans faster and sometimes even more accurately than radiologists. It's like having a super doctor that never needs sleep or coffee breaks. While we're not saying human doctors are obsolete, it's clear that AI is changing the game in medicine. Now, let's talk about the legal eagles. You know, those sharp-suited lawyers who charge by the hour? Well, AI is giving them a run for their money. These intelligent systems can review contracts, draft legal documents, and analyze cases in seconds. It's like having a whole team of junior associates working around the clock, without the need for fancy offices or expensive lunches. No wonder big law firms are already cutting back on hiring fresh-faced law school grads. And what about Wall Street? Surely those financial wizards are safe, right? Think again. AI trading systems are like the ultimate stock market psychics. They can predict trends and execute trades faster than any human financial analyst. It's like having a crystal ball that actually works. This tech is reshaping the finance industry, and not everyone's coming out on top. Here's a mind-bender for you. Even the very people building AI aren't safe from it. That's right. Software engineers are facing competition from the very tools they're creating. It's like Dr. Frankenstein's monster turning on its creator. AI can now write and debug code instantly, potentially putting some coders out of a job. Talk about irony. Let's crunch some numbers. Accountants, we're looking at you. Tax prep, audits, financial reporting. AI systems are taking over these tasks with lightning speed and pinpoint accuracy. These digital number crunchers never sleep, never take coffee breaks, and never make those pesky arithmetic mistakes. It's like having a super calculator with a work ethic that would make your old math teacher proud. Now, for all you creative types out there who thought your jobs were safe, sorry to burst your bubble. Writers, journalists, and even video script creators, yes, that includes me, are facing AI systems that can churn out articles, blogs, and scripts faster than you can say writer's block. It's like having a tireless writing partner who never runs out of ideas. But AI isn't just about analyzing and processing. It's getting creative too. From developing new drugs to composing music, AI is proving it can innovate in areas we once thought were uniquely human. It's like having a scientist, artist, and inventor all rolled into one super intelligent package. So, what's left for us humans? Well, for now, trust is our last advantage. People still prefer a human pilot in the cockpit or a flesh and blood doctor in the emergency room. But let's be real. That trust might start to fade as AI proves itself more reliable in certain areas. Even the big bosses aren't safe. CEOs, watch out. Decision-making, strategy, and data-driven leadership could all be taken over by AI systems that can process more information than any human ever could. It's like having a super CEO that never needs sleep or vacations. Now, I know this all sounds pretty doom and gloom, but here's the truth, folks. Fear won't save anyone's job. The only way to survive in this brave new world is to learn how to use AI instead of competing against it. It's like learning to ride the wave instead of getting swept away by it. So, what can we do? First, stay informed. Keep up with AI developments in your field. Second, focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate. Things like emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and complex communication. And finally, be ready to adapt. The jobs of the future might look very different from what we're used to. but that doesn't mean they won't be rewarding. Remember, change can be scary, but it can also bring new opportunities. Who knows? You might find yourself in a job that doesn't even exist yet, working alongside AI in ways we can't even imagine. So, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, Wall Street whiz, or creative genius, it's time to embrace the AI revolution. Learn it, use it, and make it work for you. Because at the end of the day, the most valuable skill in this new world will be our ability to adapt and grow. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day we'll look back on this time and laugh about how worried we were. After all, humans have always found a way to thrive, even in the face of massive change. So let's face this AI challenge head-on, with open minds and a willingness to learn. Remember, it's not about man versus machine. It's about finding the sweet spot where human ingenuity and artificial intelligence can work together to create something truly amazing. So, are you ready to ride this AI wave into the future? Because ready or not, here it comes.